This webinar session is free with purely hands-on activity and comes with free certificate. For initial registration, follow these 4 simple steps. The first is to like their FB page for notifications. https://www.facebook.com/ERYUTECH. Number 2 step is to subscribe to their ERYUTECH YouTube channel https://www.youtube.com/ERYUTECH. Number 3 is to select Going on the event response. Number 4 is to share this event to your timeline. Is that all? Yes. Note, we will never ask or require you or anybody to submit any ID card. We value data privacy. This event is open for all. Requirements: laptop or desktop, stable internet connection, commitment and willingness to learn. The YouTube live online lecture and hands-on, so you better be ready with your equipment. The duration of the webinars are at least 3 hours, and after the webinar you can get a certificate. You need to answer the post-webinar survey and pass the quiz, submit the required output. You can download your certificates by downloading their app named after ERYUTECH. See you guys. Hope this is helpful.